Dalawang dating Land Bank executives o managers nagpatatag daw sa aligasyon sa halos kalahating bilyong pisong withdrawals ni Vice President Inday Sara Duterte Carpio. Alamin natin ang detalye mula kay Aris number 12, Milky Rigonan. Please come in, Manang Milky.
Nakayateya kung ang prosecution ang tatanungin, na-establish na ng dalawang retired land bank officers ang questionable withdrawals ng Office of the Vice President at ng Department of Education sa ilalim ng pamuno noon ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Tumistigo sa witness stand ng prosecution sina Violeta Constantino, dating branch manager ng Land Bank Shaw Boulevard, at Anita Camposano, dating branch manager ng Land Bank DepEd Branch. Kapwa nang galing kina Constantino at Camposano ang salitang unusual. Unusual dahil sa mahigit 30 taon ng kanilang panunungkulan sa Land Bank, doon lamang nila nasaksihan ng withdrawals ng milyong-milyong piso at lahat ito ay puro cash withdrawals. Ang kay House Prosecutor Lawrence Defensor, hindi nakapagtataka na walang nagtangkang i-cross ang dalawang witness dahil hindi makakwestiyon ang mga dokumento. Sa 212.5 million pesos, 500 million pesos ay inilaan sa OVP, habang ang nalalabing 112.5 million pesos ay nililis naman sa DepEd. Narito si House Prosecutor Lawrence Defensor.
As to whether it's illegal or not, ang sinasabi lang natin, it was a good start that it was established by the bank representatives that there was cash in the amount of 612.5 million that was in cash. It was unusual, and indeed that money went to DepEd and the OVP and DepEd, and that's the purpose for those two witnesses. And for the rest of the evidence that will prove betrayal of public trust and culpable violation of the Constitution, let's wait for our other witnesses and our other evidence to prove that.
Samantala, nakayateya ng hinayang naman si House Lead Prosecutor Jervil Luistro sa hindi nabasa at natapos ni House Prosecutor Leila De Lima ang kanyang opening statement dahil sa madalas na interruption ng depensa sa pagsisimula kanina ng impeachment trial. Narito si House Lead Prosecutor Jervil Luistro.
Even told her na very powerful yung few questions na na-raise niya before she was interrupted. No, I think she anticipated that even during the start because she was forewarned at the onset about not making conclusion of fact and conclusion of law. Apparently nga, paborito ko yun making conclusion of fact and conclusion of law because we are the prosecution, no? But we perfectly understand the position of the presiding officer, and even Congresswoman Leila De Lima equally understands that. Kasi kausap ko na siya kanina. She's very much fine.
Samantala, next week lakay at dalawang auditor naman ng Commissioner ng Audit ang isasalang ng prosecution sa pagpapatuloy ng Article 1 o confidential funds. Ako si Milky Rigonan, nagulat para sa DZRH, una sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipino.